So guys, we're back at the house. Gonna do some more work today. We are gonna try to get the ceiling up and these two walls up tonight, so we can be done and have this all cinched up. But first, got a beautiful little package here. Well, it's kind of ripped, kind of open, but it's nothing too crazy. But I'm gonna set you guys down. I'm gonna tear this open real quick, show you guys what we grabbed real quickly, and see what we got here. Okay guys, well, I but this guy was selling a armrest for the X5. Sent me the whole entire dash in center console, and I wanted that because mine's, crappy, and this is all sticky. That's what I want, but I got the whole thing. Okay. Well, and I ordered, but the center vent, the one that's broken. Those are the two things I ordered.
Hi, Clinton. Oh my gosh, so look how big she is.
I know. So, guys, I ordered those two things, and I got an entire dash, and I did get the center vent. I did get the center vent that actually fully works. So I can go all the way from heat to AC, which is a plus. Mine does not do that. So this is exceptional on that end, but this is a surprise. Okay, cool. Well, there we go, guys. We have all this, which I don't think that's the same color. That's the wrong color. Mine's lighter. So we'll just have to take this off and take this out. However this comes out. There you go. Look at that. Comes right out. We can just replace that. That's really what I need. I didn't know this thing just popped out like that. Oh, that's cool. So guys, there we go. We got that. We got this. Time to work on the house. Now that we have everything up the ceiling, we can now measure for this piece of sheetrock, which is going to be 4x8 and notched on that side, and going to fit right here. So we'll get to measuring and seeing where this piece lands, so see if we need to make any more braces. So guys, while Marissa's putting together some sheetrock, we are going to put up one 4x8 sheet of sheetrock here. We're gonna have to make some braces over here for the sheetrock to mount to, but we have a light here. Our chandelier for the dining room table is going to be located right here in the middle of this piece. So I need to locate this first so that I can then in turn draw it on the sheetrock so we can cut it out so we can have the correct hole. So we're looking at 57.5 to 61.5. 57.5 to 61.5. 57, 61, and foot to 27 inches. So let's transfer that over to our sheetrock, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, well we're going to transfer over the measurements that we took before, and I already have them slightly marked. Going to use a T level or T square, however you want to call it, which sits level on the factory edge of the sheetrock, and mark our stuff. Come over here, and there we go. And move it up a little bit. Square. Mark our stuff. So there, I don't know if you can see that on the video, but that is our square. Which for some reason does not look right.
What do you mean?
It doesn't look like it's in the right place. Which makes me question my ability to measure. But
Me too.
always. No, okay, so it's there, and then if we flip this, we gotta think about taking this piece and flipping it that way to go up, and we are 22 foot out of 4. We're halfway. We're just shy of halfway, which yeah, that's what it looks like. But let's double measure and then come back.